Example number 3, given that if x square plus y square equals to t plus 1 by t and x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, that is equals to given that t square plus 1 divided by t square. Now we want to show that x cube y into dy by dx equals to 1. Okay. Required term is this term, that is equals to value of x cube y into dy by dx, that is equals to 1. We want to show that. Okay. Now see here, given that what will be given here? Given that x square plus y square equals to t plus 1 divided by t. Okay. And second term is given that x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equals to t square plus 1 by t square. Now this term squaring on both sides, we will get x to the power 4 and y to the power 4, and we know that the value of x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is t square plus 1 by t square. Okay. Therefore, now squaring on both sides, consider this is equation number 1. Okay. Squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, then see here, x square plus y square square, that is equals to t plus 1 divided by t square, and this term becomes x square square plus y square square plus 2 times x square into y square a plus b bracket square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times a into b. Okay. Now this term becomes, see here, t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 2 times t into 1 divided by t, that is a t and t get cancelled, and here remaining only 2. Okay. Then now x square to the power 2, that will becomes x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2 times x square y square, and that is equals to t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 2. Okay. Now we know that, see here, in the question given that t square plus 1 divided by t square, that is equals to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Okay. Why this term we take t square plus 1 by t square equals to? Because we want to find that x cube plus x cube into y dy by dx equals to 1. Okay. We no need to t, value of t. Okay. Only we want to x and y. Okay. Values of x and y. Okay. So delete the t square plus 1 by t square. Now substitute here t square plus 1 by t square, and that is equals to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Okay. This term becomes t square plus 1 by t square, and that is equals to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2, left hand side x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2x square y square. Now see here, x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4. Okay. This term becomes 0. See here, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Now take the x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 left hand side, this term becomes minus. Okay. Minus x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4, this term, and remaining term says plus 2x square y square equals to 2. Okay. Now this is x to the power 4, x to the power 4 get cancelled, y to the power 4, y to the power 4 get cancelled. What will be remaining here? See, are 2x square y square equals to 2. Okay. Now these 2 will get cancelled with these 2. Okay. That is x square y square equals to 1. Okay, now differentiate this term. Consider this is equation number 2. Okay, now differentiate y with respect to x. What will we get here? Now see here, two terms, one term is x square and second term is y square. Now use the formula u into v. We know that u into v is first function constant, derivative of second function plus second function constant and derivative of first function. Okay, then this term becomes first function constant x square and derivative of second function plus second function constant and derivative of first function, that is equals to derivative of constant function is y square, derivative of y square, derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx plus, okay, derivative of power is 2y and again derivative of y is dy by dx plus y square into derivative of x square, derivative of x square using the formula x to the power n, that means n x to the power n minus 1, 2x to the power 2 minus 1, and what will be remaining here? Only 2x. 2x equals to derivative of constant term. Derivative of constant term is any constant is 0, that is equals to 0. Now simplify here, 2x square y into dy by dx plus here 2x y square, and that is equals to 0. Okay. Now we want to find dy by dx. Okay, left hand side is dy by dx. Then this term becomes, see here, 2x square y dy by dx equals to minus 2x y square. Okay. This term goes to right hand side, this is plus and goes to right hand side, this term becomes minus. Okay. Now here 2 get cancelled. Okay. X square y remaining terms, dy by dx equals to minus x y square. Okay. Then what is dy by dx equals to? Dy by dx equals to minus x y square divided by this term x square y. Okay. Now from this term y square equals to, from equation 2, y square equals to which term we will put here? See here, from equation 2, y square equals to 1 divided by x square. Okay, we want to find the dy by dx. See here, x cube. Okay, and this equation only x and x square. Okay, then here, okay, substitute value y square equals to 1 divided by x square. What will be remaining here? See here, dy by dx equals to minus okay, x, y square equals to, substitute value 1 divided by x square, 1 divided by x square divided by x square y. Okay, x square y as it is. Here x, 1x get cancelled, and what will be remaining here now? Dy by dx equals to minus here 1 by x, 1 divided by x divided by x square y, and that is equals to, now this term, this x is goes to denominator, minus 1 divided by x into x square, that is x cube y. Okay, this is dy by dx equals to, then cube y dy by dx equals to minus 1, sum x equals to a of t minus 1 by t and y equals to b of t plus 1 by t, then show that dy by dx equals to b square x and divided by a square y. आता या ठिकाणी जो दिलेला क्वेश्चन आहे त्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये बघा आपल्याला पाहिजे काय, ओके, आपल्याला काय दाखवायचं आहे या ठिकाणी, फक्त दाखवायचं या ठिकाणी dy बाय dx च्या टर्म, म्हणजे आपल्याला नको आहेत ज्या पॅरामीटर आहेत टी आहेत त्या टर्म नको आहेत, तर त्या डिलीट कशा होतील या आपण बघायचं अगोदर. ठीक आहे, बघा या ठिकाणी. नाउ सी हियर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 इज x इक्वल्स टू a of t minus 1 by t. Consider this is equation number 1, and second equation y equals to b of t plus 1 by t. Consider this is equation number 2. Now from equation 1, x divided by a equals to, okay, in the question given that dy by dx equals to b a x y, this term is needed to the answer. Okay, then x divided by a equals to t minus 1 by t. Okay, then what will be this term? This term is y divided by b equals to t plus 1 divided by t. Okay, then squaring on both side, squaring on both side, on both side, what will be, this term becomes x divided by a square equals to t minus 1 by t square, that is x square divided by a square equals to here t square plus minus 1 by t square minus 2 times t into 1 by t. Okay, a minus b square, that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, that is equals to here t square plus 1 by t square minus 2, here t get cancel. Okay, that is x square divided by a square equals to, then from equation 2 squaring on both side, here also square, squaring on both side, then this term becomes y divided by b square equals to t plus 1 divided by t square, and that is equals to y square divided by b square equals to t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 2 times t into 1 divided by t. T get cancel. What will be remaining here? Y square divided by b square equals to t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 2. Okay, now consider this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Okay, subtract equation 4 from equation 3. What will we get? See here, x square divided by a square. Okay, equation number 3 minus equation number 4 is y square divided by b square equals to equation number 3 is t square plus 1 divided by t square minus 2 minus equation number 4 is t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 2. Now simplify here. Here t square plus 1 divided by t square minus 2 multiply minus 2 this bracket minus t square minus 1 divided by t square minus 2. Now what will be cancel here? Plus t square minus t square cancel, 1 by t square minus 1 by t square cancel, and that is equals to minus 4. Okay, that is equals to minus 4. This is term is x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square. Okay, differentiate y with respect to x. This term becomes 1 divided by a square into derivative of x square minus 1 divided by b square into derivative of y square, that is equals to minus derivative of 4, that is 1 divided by a square into derivative of x square is 2x minus 1 divided by b square, derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx, and that is equals to derivative of constant term is simplify here 2x divided by a square minus 2y divided by b square into dy by dx, that is equals to 0. 2x divided by a square equals to, this term goes to right hand side, this term becomes positive 2y divided by b square into dy by dx. Then dy by dx equals to dy by dx equals to b square okay, b square divided by 2y into this term 2x divided by a square. Okay, this is b square to the denominator goes to numerator, and this is 2y on the numerator, this term goes to denominator 2y. Here 2 get cancelled, then what will be remaining here, b square x divided by a square y, that is equals to dy by dx, which is the required solution of the